Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Metatrader 4 application if it is not working as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. Now, if you experience various different kinds of errors within the Metatrader 4 application that doesn't let you use it smoothly, then there are a few steps that you can take. The first thing to check is to make sure that your internet connection is smooth enough. So open up any other application that uses the internet and then see if your internet is working smoothly. If it is working as it is supposed to, then your internet is not to blame here. So the second thing to check is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and simply search for Metatrader 4. Once you find the application, just tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you can tap on the update button to begin the download and installation of the latest updates. Now, once the update is done, you will see the open button once again. So tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then one more thing that you can try is to long press on the Metatrader 4 application and tap on the info button. Now, from the application info page, first of all, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data for the Metatrader 4 application. Once this step is done, you will need to log into your Metatrader 4 account once again, but now your application will be running as smoothly as it is supposed to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Metatrader 4 application if it is giving you problems. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.